Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's July the 7th, 2023. We're here to talk about AMC today and see if the market is about to rip higher. Now, from my perspective, no. AMC is not going to rip higher. This particular stock has gone through a whole lot of emotions for people because people continually made content about this stock during the short squeeze of MOAS. And here it is today. This market is completely and utterly dead. The market in AMC has simply traded since December of 2022 to today's date from left to right. That's it. That's it. This shows you that the impact of influencers and content makers has no bearings on how price is going to move. None. So rather than us paying attention to these influencers and people making this outrageous content, talking about a MOAS and a short squeeze, pay attention to the charts. That's it. Don't pay attention to nothing else, because if what they're saying and if what they're producing is not gelling with the price, then what they're doing is wrong. The chart is always right. I don't care what anyone says. This is where the truth is, because people are actually betting. They're placing their own money on these stocks. And you don't play around when you think a stock is going to move higher. You don't play around when you think a stock is going to go down, because you're actually expecting some type of resolution from your bet. So these influencers out here has done a massive disservice to those who fell for it. Now, if you guys been following my channel for a long time, I didn't push that on you because I want to show you how you are supposed to maneuver in the stock market. For instance, I did a price prediction in AMC. You guys can see it right now. Proof that I was looking for this stock to go down, and the video was produced on the 19th of June. Here it is, July the 7th. More proof that you should be able to do the same thing. This is not rocket science. I've even told you that price in AMC should find support around $4. That was the low of our prediction. I didn't say the price was going to go down to $2 or $1.75. I said $4. And this is where the buyers enter the market in AMC, right here. Good call, 18.03%. All right, cool. Let's talk about it though. Because if we're looking for AMC not to rip, it doesn't mean that price is not going to go higher. It doesn't mean that. A rip to me would be price running back up to like $8 in a very short time. I'm not looking for that to happen. Not yet. But it doesn't mean that we won't see price run back up to $5, $5.50. Is that possible? Well, we got to look at the charts first. So here it is on the 2-day time frame. And currently, this 2-day price bar right here shows me that, yeah, don't look for the price to run up to $8, because there's still people here in the market at AMC selling. They may even be short. Now we have 8 hours and 46 minutes left on this current 2-day price bar. And I would tell you, this spread is so much smaller than the prior 3 2-day price bar that something is going on though. Something is not right. What could it be? Well, to me, it looks as if the sellers ain't selling. To me, it looks as if that power that came in from the prior 2 days, it is not here right now. So I would say in the next 8 hours and 46 minutes, if AMC closes above this previous 2-day price bar, then I do suspect price is going to move to the upside. Now, that first target is going to be here on the low of this 2-day price bar, which is around $4.40. Again, it's not a lot. Here's AMC on the 3-day. And again, more weakness. Let's take a look at AMC on the 5. I like this on the 5-day chart because we did not get any follow through on this 5-day price bar to continue to see price in AMC go down. Market instead has gone up. Okay, here it is on the weekly. Yes, the market currently is closing lower than the previous week, but the volume is not showing up right now. Why not? Why is not the volume showing up in AMC? If price truly was weak, people would definitely sell. But right now, it doesn't look like people are really selling in the market in AMC. Here it is on the 3-weekly chart. Okay. So pushing it back to the hourly chart. What do you guys think? Does it look weak to you? Does the market look strong? Or does it look like it's just a tradable market? This is what scalping environment looks like. It's to where you come in, let the market in AMC run up a couple of pennies, get out, right? Because we're not seeing any duration in these moves. The market is just gyrating up and down in a very tight range. Here it is on a 5-hour chart, 3-hour, okay, 1 hour. And look at how these price bars look. This is on a 1-hour chart, okay? I'm gonna give you all an example. This shows you that the market is not really participating in AMC. It looks so stiff, right? The market has very small, tight price bars. The market it doesn't reflect that there's really active participation going on here. Let me show you a 1-hour chart for, let's just do Apple. You see how these price bars is really different? The spread, the close of these price bars here in Apple, it doesn't look like these very tight price bars here when the market is not open. You're getting these type of price bars in AMC when the market is open for trading. But when the market is open for Apple, look at these spreads. Like the market is really active. You got people participating, people placing bets. But then you go to AMC on the 1 hour, you got these very tight, small movements of penny increments. The market is not here. Okay. So I'm not looking for too much, but what we are going to do, we might, let me see. We might play some strength into the market if it's worth a while. So let me see. Okay. 2.5%. Is it worth it? That would be my first target. Right here, around $4.40. $4.40. I'm the first one. Second is going to be up here, around $4.60. That's 7.25% move higher. And then third will be up here at our resistance area $4.77, which is around 11.19%. Okay, this is not the opportunity to become greedy, which we would not be. And if the market doesn't break 440, again, don't expect this market to do too much. Especially, don't expect a rip. I'm done. Your turn. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.